Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something creative and super useful: how to make a collage in Google Docs for 2025. Whether you're a student sprucing up a project, a teacher designing visuals, or just someone who loves DIY art, this tutorial is perfect for you. Google Docs might not be your first choice for collages, but with its built-in tools, you can create something eye-catching without any fancy software. Let's jump right in. First, open a new document in Google Docs. If you're on a computer, go to docs.google.com and start a blank document. Now, to build your collage, we'll use the drawing tool. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select Drawing and choose New. This opens a canvas where the magic happens. Step 1. Add your images. In the drawing window, click on the image icon to upload photos from your computer or search the web. Select as many as you want, maybe family photos, artwork, or memes for a fun twist. Once they're in, resize them by dragging the corners and position them wherever you like. Don't worry if they overlap, that's the collage vibe. Next, get creative with shapes and text. Use the Shape tool to add borders, circles, or rectangles around your images for a polished look. Then, insert text boxes for captions or titles. It's easy to change fonts and colors to match your style. Pro tip: group elements by selecting them and clicking Group, so they move together without messing up your layout. Once you're happy with your design, click Save and Close to insert it back into your document. You can always edit it later by double-clicking the drawing. Finally, share your masterpiece. Download it as a PDF or image, or collaborate with friends in real time. There you have it, a stunning collage made right in Google Docs. This method is free, accessible, and perfect for 2025's digital trends. If you try this out, drop a comment below with your results, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.